What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Now, I get a lot of comments from you guys asking how you can use Apple CarPlay in your car if your car doesn't come equipped with Apple CarPlay or even Android Auto. Maybe you have an older car or your car doesn't have the touchscreen for it equipped. So I was offered a solution from my friends at CarpodGo, which you can see we have mounted to the screen here. So in this video, I'm going to quickly show you a way how I use the CarpodGo system to automatically have Apple CarPlay in this 2014 Nissan Altima. So the device you see beside me is the CarpodGo 2024 T3 Pro. Now we're going to start the car so it turns on, but if you guys want to check out their website, we're going to link it in the description below, or their Amazon page if you guys want to purchase one of these for yourself. They've given us an exclusive link where you will get $50 off, which we're also going to link in the description, or we're going to show it right on the screen here. So use the link if you guys want to connect this. So we mounted the T3 Pro right to our dash here on this Altima. It does come with a few things in the box, as you can see. I didn't use the regular mount that they give you. They give you this glue-on mount. I used like an old clip that I had. I found the clip would work a little better. I find with these mounts, the glue often doesn't stick too well, but you can try using the mount if you want to use the mount. It has a backup camera in here, which you can use if your car doesn't have a backup camera. That's really going to help you. There it is. So you can plug the backup camera in. I would recommend maybe you wire it like through your headliner or through the floor of the car so the wires aren't running all the way through your car. But most people will wire it through their headliner. You can use the backup camera. I think that would be great. But this car already has a backup camera, so we didn't go that far with it. There's many different ways to mount this, but basically we clipped ours on right to our air vent there, and we wired it right through the dash and out the glove box and into the power outlet, which is down below. You can also use the auxiliary input for your sound if you want to plug in a wire into your aux cord, but what I'm using is their FM transmitter. So you can see this here on the screen. Basically, I just need to tune my station here, and it's going to automatically play the music through the FM transmitter through my car speaker. As long as I'm on the matching FM station, it will automatically, which I felt was really cool. But let's show you guys how to sync your phone to this CarpodGo system. So if you want to use your Apple CarPlay on the screen here, all you have to do is pair your phone. So I'm going to go into the Bluetooth, and I'm going to go into Bluetooth on my phone, and I'm going to search for the device. You can see my device name is PND yada yada yada. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to hit pair. Just for privacy purposes, I'm not going to sync my contacts here, but there you can see Chris's iPhone is now connected. So I can go back and I can click my Apple CarPlay, and it's going to pair here, and we are going to allow, and now we should be all paired up. I just need to go to the home screen, use CarPlay on my phone, and now it's going to take a minute here and just quickly connect. So here you can see I have all my apps for my CarPlay. Everything is connected. You can see my messaging. You can see my app. So I can put my phone down and begin driving. Now, it's a fully laminated screen. You have features like auto brightness. There's a 1920 by 720 resolution, so you can see the resolution on this thing, and it responds. It's very responsive compared to some of the other systems that I've used. You have 60 frames per second with this Apple CarPlay support, and you might think using the speakers, it doesn't sound as great, but with the FM transmitter, but it does sound very good when you play your music. So that's pretty much the quick setup there for your iPhone. It works relatively the same with your Android device. Fortunately, I have two phones here. Here I can go back to the home menu, and let's show you what else you can do here from this CarpodGo menu. Like I said, you can automatically adjust the brightness. You can pick all different languages. Like there's so many different languages. So no matter what region you're in, this is gonna work well, or what language you speak. Here you can see like there's a night view, different brightness modes. I can adjust my wallpaper. There's all different wallpapers, different logos. See if you want to display the CarPod logo, or we can go with the Nissan logo and set that as a logo. Volume. And there's multiple ways to use the audio output, like I said. So 8.9 is my FM frequency. You can use your aux cord if you want to use your aux cord, or you can use the speaker mode where it will play through your phone speakers. So that's a quick run through of the CarpodGo T3 Pro. Now guys, this is on sale right now for $249. With my exclusive link, you will get $50 off if you want to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto in your car. I think this is the way to go. I've tried the small adapters, but this is the best to have your maps displayed and everything. And I think with the backup camera, it would give you everything you need and bring your car to the modern age. So thank you so much for watching. Check out the link and let me know if you got one for yourself and what do you think.